Multi-car pileups on busy routes like El Monte Way and Dinuba have, unfortunately, become a common sight. Several drivers and victims may be involved, and those hurt can wonder who will be held responsible. If one careless driver caused everyone else to wreck, victims will be filing injury claims against that motorist's car insurance provider. But in some cases, the reckless actions of more than one driver contribute to collisions, and more than one driver is assigned blame. If this is the case, victims will be able to file injury and damage claims against insurance companies for several drivers at once. Filing multiple insurance claims allows victims to seek support from several insurance policies and offers a better chance of earning what's needed to pay the cost of a complete recovery. These costs can include medical bills, missed time from work, ongoing treatment, pain and suffering, and other damages. After an accident, a Dinuba car accident lawyer with Mason Law can help you identify every party that should contribute to your recovery. A free case evaluation is an easy way to find out what your injury could be worth and how to hold multiple insurance companies accountable.